We start with the coronavirus situation. People in South Korea can now make reservations to get injected with what are being called leftover COVID-19 vaccines on the very same day. These are the ones that had been booked by someone else, but they ended up being no-shows for whatever reason. Jang Tae-hyun starts us off.
Starting from Thursday at 1 p.m., anyone over 30 years old can reserve and receive a leftover vaccine on the very same day. These leftover vaccines are ones which had been reserved by someone else who didn't show up or couldn't get jabbed due to bad health on that day. Medical facilities with leftover AstraZeneca vaccines will upload the necessary information to the Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency's vaccination system. Those wishing to get these can search which inoculation centers have leftover vaccines using Naver or Kakao. Then after choosing a preferred medical facility, a reservation can be made. The leftover vaccines are available on a first-come, first-served basis, and you can apply for it no matter where you live. Arirang confirmed with health authorities that foreigners with public health insurance can get the leftover vaccines as well. They should use their registration number to get an authentication certificate on Naver or Kakao. The leftover vaccines are not available to anyone who has already had their first shot or is under the age of 30. The second shot will be administered at the same medical facility 11 weeks after the first. South Korea on Thursday started its rollout of AstraZeneca to more than 5 million people aged 65 to 74 and nearly 8,000 people with severe respiratory illnesses. The country aims to give first doses to over 13 million people aged over 60 by the end of June so that they can ease the social distancing guidelines from July. Jang Tae-hyun, Arirang News.